Hey guys, today we're going to go over the knife cuts that you need to do for carrots. I've got everything here with the classic knife cuts, and this is a visual model set. So we have the bâtonnet, the julienne, and the fine julienne, the small dice, the brunoise, and the fine brunoise, and you'll be responsible for all of these. This is also something that we are using so that you can measure and make sure, and then this is the rubric. So for the test, you'll be doing potatoes, small dice, 7 bâtonnet, a cup of small dice from the bâtonnet, 10 julienne, a cup of brunoise, 10 fine julienne, and then a cup of fine brunoise. You will cut half an onion into small dice. You will also do garlic, and then make sure that you have your materials and your equipment. So I've already peeled my carrot. On these new cutting boards, it does have the inches, and if we are sitting here talking about different sizes, then a bâtonnet is 2 inches by 1/4 by 1/4. First thing I want to do is peel my carrot. I've already peeled this one, but straight down. All of our peel goes to compost. The more you peel, the less carrot you're going to have. So remember that. I'm going to go ahead and cut this into 3 sections, holding my knife, thumb, index finger, and then all fingers around the bolster. This is my guide hand. So I'm going to cut this in 2 inch. It's okay if it's a little bit longer, because that way you have more room. The julienne is 2 inches by 1/8 by 1/8, and then the fine julienne is 2 inches by 1/6 by 1/6. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by squaring off and then cutting my planks. Close. Mm-hmm. So I'm just going to roll. The more you cut off, remember, the less carrot you're going to have to work with. All this goes into compost. So now I have my cube. Since I need 7, 10, and 10, I can actually do every cut out of this one, but you do have extra just in case. Guide hand here, pinky and thumb, and I'm going to look on this side of the knife. I'm going to go in and cut my planks for my bâtonnet. Once I've cut those, I'm going to cut my planks for my julienne, very thin. If they come out like this, it's okay, discard. I'm going to cut off the end there. If it gets too small like this where you were uncomfortable, then we go to our next piece. Once again, planks, and now I am on my julienne. And then my fine julienne, which is very, very small. All right, once I have my planks, and I'm happy with those, I have a clean cutting board, I'm going to start cutting my bâtonnets. From that, I'm going to make sure that they are 2 inches, and I've got some extra I can cut off. And we're going to use the same rocking motion that we did with the celery. Small dice. From our bâtonnets. Fine julienne. And our brunoise. Always cleaning off our cutting board. And then we're going to go to our fine julienne. Very, very thin. And our fine brunoise. So if you see up close, these are the 3 things that you're gonna have for your carrots. The Battenay, the small dice. The Julienne, the fine, well, the Julienne with the Brunoise, and then the fine Julienne with the fine Brunoise. Thank you.